Hi guys, welcome to our channel LiliRayEpic. In today's video, we're gonna talk about OCS certification. OCS Blended certification covers the processing, manufacturing, packaging, labeling, trading, and distribution of a product that contains at least 5% certified organic materials. OCS 100 takes cover some processing like OCS labeled step in goods containing 95% to 100% organic material. If you want to see more about these organic labels, please keep watching.
The Organic Content Standard OCS applies to any non-food product containing 95 to 100% organic material. It verifies the presence and amount of organic material in a final product and tracks the flow of the raw material from its source to the final product. The OCS 100 relies on third-party verification to confirm whether a final product contains the accurate amount of a given organically grown material. OCS allows for the transparent, consistent, and comprehensive independent evaluation and verification of organic material content claims on product. The OCS covers the processing, manufacturing, packaging, labeling, trading, and distribution of the product that contains at least 95% certified organic product and materials. It can be used as a business-to-business tool to give companies to means ensure that they are selling quality and getting what they pay for. Textile Exchange Organic Content Standard, or OCS, is a chain of custody standard that provides the companies with a tool to verify that one or more specific input material is in a final product. It requires that each organization along the supply chain takes sufficient steps to ensure that the integrity and identify in the input material is preserved.
The Organic Content Standard Blended, OCS Blended, applies to any non-food products containing 5 to 100% organic material. It verifies the presence and amount of organic material in a final product and tracks the flow of a raw material from its source to final products. This process is certified by a third party. The OCS relies on third-party verification to confirm whether a final process contains the accurate amount of a given organically grown material. OCS allows for transparent, consistent, and comprehensive independent evaluation and verification of organic material content. Control Union is a leading certification body having certified a majority of all certified facilities. This includes at the moment OCS certified companies in ginning, spinning, weaving, knitting, dyeing, printing, and stitching in more than 50 countries.
OCS does not address the use of chemical or any social or environmental aspects of production beyond the integrity of the organic material. The OCS uses a chain of custody requirements of the content claim standard.
Thank you for checking out our today's video, and don't forget to share our today's journey with your family and friends. We have been LiliRayEpic channel, and you have been watching our experiences about environmental certification and label and standards. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing to the channel. Until next video, bye guys.
Bye.